Are you eating a bite? Yeah? Let me see you take a bite. Show me what a bite is. Use your fork. Use your forky. Can you use your fork to do a bite?
Bite?
Yeah. Can you stab it with your fork?
Ava, go like this. Ava. Yeah. Go like that.
Yeah, use your forky to get a bite. Let's see. Yummy, nummy. Now we're going to give that up. Are you all done with your bites? Mm. Yummy. What's that? You don't know? I'm done. Yeah?
So actually, you can see her.
Yeah, it's still recording. More? Can you say more?
Huh?
Can you say more? Put that down. Do the sign. Okay.
Stop.
Can you do more? Ava?
Ava.
Ava, do you want more, please? Say please. Oh, whoopsie doopsie.
Yummy.
Well, apparently it's not yummy.
You don't like these?
You say more, please? Did you say please? Can you say please? Please?
Diaper. Diaper.
Did she say diaper? I don't think she
I like to say diaper.
No.
Emma. What? Emma.
Elmo?
Bo.
Oh, yeah.
Your bow's not in your hair. I'm Bobo. I'm like you said, I want bow. 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 But I don't know what a bow is.
Mackenzie. Some more? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're so nice. Sound like she said bless you. Is that nummy nummy?